Hello everybody, this is Raki-Tak, and I'm going to be recording this tutorial on how to animate just like myself because I got lots of comments on my stuff on how people want to animate just like me, and yeah. So let's get started, shall we? So first of all, we're gonna have to be drawing like a character's head for an animation or a cartoon. So yeah, that's just stupid. If you want to be... Here's my drawing style. First I like draw a head and go around. There we go. Perfect. And then what I do next is I just go over the outline again really carefully just to make it a little more detailed. So then it can kind of look like it's shaded in and the outline's a little bit bigger and whatnot. And I'm not using a tablet. I'm actually using my mouse cursor. Can you believe it? I'm actually using my mouse cursor to do this. Alright, so we got our head. And now we're gonna have to like work on the eyes. And we're gonna have to go through the outlines. Oop. Go around the outlines again. Or I can just make him, if I make the guy kind of worried, I can just add the outline underneath there and then you're all set. And then do the same side. And now you got it. Now you can just draw the pupils. Whatnot. This isn't Flash, so you won't have to like create different layers for like the different body. And now just draw the head. I don't know why my thing is my head is tilted, but I can't really fix it very well. So it just look like that. So basically we have our head. Or hold on, the eyes are, need to color in the eyes. Color in the eyes. Alright, back to topic. So now we have our head. You can add as much details as you can to the head. Like something like that. Bottom lip, eye details. And then you can also like change like the brush width to make the details like much more detailed. Yeah. You can also like add in eye sockets like this, and then draw head wrinkles. Perfect. We now have our head. All right. So now we have our head, we can make our body. Since this is going to be like a stick figure, we can just... I'm not using any lines or anything, so I'm just going to use his body. Like that. Add in another outline. Go over the outline again. Perfect. We now have our body. We can just also add in a few arms to the stick figure if you want. There we go. Color that in. There we go. Perfect. Now you can just drag this thing down. And so what we got to do now, every time you click like a different sprite, it will go over something else. So first of all, you go here. You can either lock it in place, make the body like turn different positions. So if you want to have a rotating head, do not select this little option up here. Select this one, to where you can rotate. And if you want to like have like the head turning from the neck, you can drag this. You can click on this little thing right down here, and this thing will open up. And then you go and click on the where the neck is supposed to be there, and then you can click OK. Drag that down and set it to where it is, and then now the head wobbles like that. Here, I gotta like fix that again. Possibly right there. Let's see if that works. That will work. Yeah. Just to make sure, try to make your body's neck a little bit higher. Possibly about that high. It won't actually show, but it'd just be good, because then it has more detail to the neck when it bends back. So remember to like position your head. Okay, that's a little too far for the neck. Man, I'm getting a little too carried away with this. You gotta like get it perfectly right to make the animation good. Alright, so now we have our character. And to end sound, you click record, and here's the recording, scratch sound recorder. So here's one of my voice acting here's a voice act that I'm gonna do for the thing.
I'll bring happiness and joy to the entire world. I'll bring happiness and joy to the entire world.
Yeah, that's pretty retarded and slow, so I'm just gonna try that again.
Hello everybody, it is me, Freddy. Hello everybody, it is me, Freddy.
Okay, we have that. Now we're going to go down, and you can just, if you don't want to lip sync, just like make the mouth go like that and fill it in. Whoop. Fill this stuff in, and then like yeah. But if you want to lip sync, you first, like, it will start out with him saying hey, oh, hey. Oh man, I talked to myself. So we'll have to like make the mouth, we'll have to make mouth details a little high, just like that one up there. So make them a little bit different to make the mouth movements a lot more realistic, like it's actually in a cartoon. And he's gonna be showing his teeth, because it, like, every single time when you say hey, your teeth will show. And you can also add in some detail to the mouth if you want. Just like that. You can add in some teeth lining. Perfect. And bottom lip. There we go. Alright, now we're going, his mouth will be opened up, no teeth will be showing, or you can, just a little bit. So this costume will be making him say A or whatnot, so you can like make him smile. Ah. So now you click here, add in some mouth detail. You can also add in some teeth on the bottom. Perfect. And then now you can add in like a tongue if you want to go too far. And then you can also add in like tonsils in the back. You can also yeah, and then you click on this little button right down here, and then select, to make the inside of the mouth dark, you select like the gray tool, and then there we go, to the mouth. If you want to like go a little bit lighter, you can just see. There we go. And now the color on the tongue, you just select this little color, and then boom, right there. And I gotta remember the color on the teeth for the background, because there we go. Now we have our 3 costumes. So hey, okay, now I gotta like make him say v everybody. So try to make like some kind of like mouth movement, almost like you're saying like the F, or yeah. So first of all, or no, you gotta go to the other side. Nope, no. What am I doing? There we go. So now like his mouth is all like kind of bumpy a little bit, because he's saying something that starts with the letter F. If you want to add in some teeth and a mouth, that's good. And then there we go. And from right there you can time the this would be really too long and complicated to like lip sync the entire thing, but like something that could help is by looking at a mirror and then drawing your mouth movements. Like grab like a little handheld mirror and just draw what you see on it. But you use to lip sync, you start out with like this when sound recording, and then you use like different costumes to like make the mouth say stuff, and that's possibly the end of my tutorial. Head movements. This is another serious thing that makes my animations all smooth and stuff. So what we're gonna call this we go to variables and click on make a variable and go down and you just type in whatever you want. Head, turn. I'll just name that. I'll just name it like that. You now this little thing will show up. You click to hide and program the head to turn really smoothly. You click down set head turn to 0. Or oh yeah. Now when this little button is clicked, the variable will be set to 0, and it's already set to 0. So now we grab this little thing down, and then we go to control, click on drag repeat into here, and then we'll have this, and then you drag the head turn by 1. So 0 0 plus 10 is 10. Cause yeah. Anyway.